So this is a program of how to find a prime number. So a main program is given. Inside main, a for loop is given. A for loop will iterate from 1 to n times. Inside for, a condition is checked. N mod I is equal to 0. When it is true, it will iterate second for loop, which will go from 1 to n, and one statement is given. Okay. So as you can see, the first for loop will iterate 1 to n times. So as you can see, I will iterate how many? 1 to n times. And the condition is true when the number is a prime number, means the number divides by 1 or itself. So when the number is 1, it takes order of n times because it will run the whole for loop of. Okay, when it is the another number, it takes constant time, and when it is the same number, it takes order of n times. So 2 times it takes order of n, and n minus 2 times it takes constant. So overall time complexity of this program is order of n. So if anyone ask if anyone asks how to find the prime number, so a program is given, and what is the time taken to find the prime number, so it is a order of n. Okay, so another program is given how to find the prime number. Okay, so a main program is given. Inside main, a for loop is given which will iterate 1 to n times, and inside for, condition is checked. N mod I is not equals to 0. Okay, and if that condition is true, a for loop is given which will iterate from 1 to n times. Okay, and a statement is given. So let's see how to solve. Okay, so first you can see this for loop will iterate 1 to n times. Okay, so I will iterate 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will go up to how many times? N times. Okay. So when it is 1, so it will, the condition is false, so it takes constant time. When it is 2, n mod 2. Okay, so when n mod 2 is not equals to 0, so it is 2, it will execute the whole for loop, and the remaining for the 3 also it will take order of n times. Order of 4 also it takes order of, and all this condition. When it is n mod n is equal to 0, so the condition is false, so it will come out of the loop, so it will take constant time. So if you add all these values, so it is 2 into order of n plus n minus 2 into constant time. So overall time complexity of this program is how much? Order of n square. Okay, 2 times order of 1, and n minus 2 times order of n. Okay, sorry. So the time complexity of this program is order of n square. Okay.